Are you worried about the touch bar when it stops working? How to fix the touch bar when it stops working? You don't need to download any special software. All you have to do is open the terminal. You can find the terminal app by searching for it with Spotlight. Also in Finder, Applications under Utilities folder. In the terminal type the following commands. Press Enter. Enter your password. Press Enter. Type the next commands. Press Enter. When it finished, it will restart your Mac. That's it. Close all open apps. And it should work once restarted. Have fun. If you have any problem, please let us know in the comments below. If you liked my video then please subscribe. Thanks for watching.